So we were told we had to come to this Hershey's Chocolate World, even though we're from Pennsylvania and we know what the real Hershey's Chocolate World's like. So we're gonna go in here and check this out.
What the hell?
Holy giant size of Hershey syrup.
They're not real.
They're not even filled.
It's like a lifetime supply of chocolate syrup.
Right? There we go. Oh, chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my gosh. Crushed. Holy heck. Oh, kinds of. Had a little Hershey kiss. Girl. Hide him back here. Hello there, you little sweet kiss. You get all kinds of holy heck.
Harry Potter butter beer.
What the heck?
Well, those are regular.
Those are regular. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Ooh. Dark chocolate, strawberry, milk chocolate, hazelnut, milk chocolate, almonds, mocha, chocolate rainbow brownie.
Strawberry ice cream cone, cookies and cream, peanut butter pie.
Peanut butter pie.
Oh, those are peanut butter cups.
They're peanut butter cups. I might need some of those. You got all this. Nuggets. Dark chocolate truffle.
Chocolate. That I would love.
Oh yeah. The Hershey's Chocolate Statue of Liberty. There's my stuff, Reese's. Oh, I love Reese's. The Chocolate Statue of Liberty is out of 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate. Wow. Look at her. So I guess this place wouldn't be complete without having a casino in it. Coyote Ugly's upstairs. The chocolate bar.